Yeah, man! Welcome to the Frickcast and to a Dr Squatch quick guide. Today we have the Sticc of the Dead deodorant. It's spooky season, and that means spooky products, with the fan favorite Brick of the Dead being resurrected again. Along with it came a new friend, the Sticc of the Dead, the Deo counterpart. This is Squatch's second limited deodorant, and it joins a long list of fantastic thick sticks. So where does this dead boy rank amongst them? Well, let's find out. Just like every Dr Squatch Deo, the Sticc of the Dead uses the same lineup of ingredients, led by the powerhouse trio of charcoal, arrowroot, and probiotics. Now I of course cover these ingredients more in depth in my deodorant guide, so if you want to learn more about what makes these sticks really stick, go and watch that if you're interested. In this video, we're just going to cover what makes the Sticc of the Dead stand out. And really, the only noteworthy difference is the scent. It's very similar to its brick counterpart, featuring that signature spooky scent, an eerie, earthy, slightly vanilla smell. In stick form, it works well, although at least in my experience, it seems less potent than the other Deos. That may be a positive or negative, depending on how strong you like the scent to be. However, my biggest issue with it is that it seems to have a lime scent to it as well, that actually overtakes the stick, although it dies down quite a bit after it's applied, letting the spooky scent come through more. So how does it rank amongst the other sticks? Well, I'm going to put it at 3. I had thought this Deo would challenge for the number 1 spot, but after using it I was left somewhat disappointed. The stronger scents of the Birchwood Breeze and Woodbarrel Bourbon keep them higher ranked. Still, it's a good Deo in my opinion. For anyone who loves the Brick of the Dead, loves Halloween, or wants to smell like they're fresh out of the grave, I'd recommend this zombie stick. That's only my opinion though, and I'd love to hear yours in the comments. What do you think of the Sticc of the Dead deodorant? Let me know where you would rank this spooky boy. As always, thanks for watching.
Yeah, man!